Guys, welcome back with the paper, and today we're having what? Let me start that over. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are back with another banger, and today we are going to be making my famous soda. Okay, so I make my own soda, but I also drink other people's. I just found out how to do this. I didn't really find it out. I just got some Sprite, some Skittles, put the Skittles in there, got a thing, mixed it, and that's how it became. So now I got to choose the way. Can y'all see me? It's blurry. It's blurry. Okay, I got to. Okay. So first you get Sprite. No, I am not selling it. I'm just using it. I do not own the rights of this soda. Get a cup and get some Skittles. I got the holiday mix, but when I had made them, I had got sour Skittles. I don't know how to go with non-sour Skittles. So we gonna try. This one is like green and red. I gotta see which one's sweeter. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. You just go with all the red ones. See, I'm gonna just use all the red ones. So this is all the red ones I'm gonna use. I got seven red ones. Now I get some Sprite. Any Sprite of your choice, it doesn't matter, but I will prefer the regular Sprite. Just pour it in. And as you can see, it's already turning pink a little bit. So I mix it with my finger. Because I don't have a straw. Do I have a straw? You know why you not? It looks so long. Anyway, we gotta dance and wait. I'm so weird. But anyway, I'm a roach. I can tell. I'm rude. But anyway, it should be done. And in order to see if it's done, you have to check the Skittles on the bottom to see if they're perfectly white. And the camera, it looks like orange looking, but in like outside of the camera, it looks super pink. But I'm gonna add a little bit more Sprite, and then we mix. Okay, now We made it. It smells good. I'm not even gonna cap. Oh, and I also had strawberry and cherry. So it's a mix of strawberry cherry soda. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm not even capping. That is good. But yeah, that is really good. Aloha. Aloha, yes, I thought I was good. I just broke up. You can hear me probably my slide speaking, but I'm gonna go find a cut so I can have screen and peace out. So I can't find one. What am I gonna do now? Oh, I can make another video. I just on a video. Whoa. But anyway, this looks like gang, baby. That's exactly what it looks like. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Peaches, everybody loves you. Peaches.